Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Andreja premium espresso machine. It comes back for warranty, but when I tested I found out like something I didn't work on. It was like just good. It is this board. So it was like works okay sometimes when it gets really little bit hot. It's start like not working. So I just replaced that and I clean the machine, give it another cleaning cycle, and I descale it again. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. I like to get some, it works okay. There you go. Perfect. I mean, there is like drops of water here. I'm gonna check what is that. This is like a great shot coming out of this machine with some cream on it. What is that? Okay, it is something coming from here. Just because the blade wasn't all the way in. Let's test the steamer. That works great. And the hot water. That works perfect too. And the machine starts refilling right away. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.